So what you want to do is first remove the screws. So first you want to take off the lid to your battery, take out the batteries, and then you're just going to use a screwdriver. Sometimes they'll use security bits or kind of proprietary bits, but most of the time it's just standard screws. All the screws, and now I'm gonna open up the keyboard. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, but okay. So you can see there's this membrane here with the Logitech keyboards that actually separates the kind of circuitry or the pathways there. And this is why I really like Logitech keyboards, is because they have this membrane between your keys and the actual circuitry in there. Alright, so this is the keyboard. This is the part that you clean in. You can see how this is the back of the keyboard, okay? And there's sometimes a few little pieces that you need to take care of. So over here, this part's actually loose, so I'm just going to put that to the side. And there's one little piece right there that's loose for this keyboard. But the rest of it's all attached. Okay. Alright, so we're in the kitchen now, and we're going to clean this keyboard here. Now we've removed all electronic parts, so it's just plastic. And like I said, I've done this before many times, in fact for years. Even with, sweet tea, soda, just other dirt, grime, things like that. Alright, so we're washing, more washing. You just want to get all the keys. Alright, so we're done washing, and now I'm going to kind of shake out the water there. You want to get the bulk of it out, and I'm going to put down the camera here for a second, just to kind of give it a real vigorous shake to get all the water out. And then usually what I'll do is I'll run canned air, or just kind of leave it in a towel overnight. What we're going to do is just let this sit overnight or a couple hours, whatever the case may be, and then it should be good to go to put back together. Alright, so when it comes down to this part here, since there are some electronics, and with the Logitech keyboards they have this nice rubber membrane, what I'll do is I'll take this off like that and just wipe down with maybe just a dry cloth. I wouldn't even go damp, just because you wouldn't want to mess up that membrane. But I'll take this off, shake it off. If I have time, I'll give it a quick rinse and let it dry really thoroughly. This is where you got to worry about moisture, is between this rubber and that piece of plastic there. Battery, and you add your battery cover here. And then all you need to do is slip it over. And you should be good to go at this point. So just kind of to show you here. Alright. There we go. It works perfectly. So that's how you clean your keyboard really easily, and probably the more effective way than using canned air or anything like that. Thanks for watching.